You keep telling yourself this is the last time. Last scroll, last drink, last hit, last video, last relapse. But then tomorrow comes and you do it again. And slowly something inside you starts breaking. Not just your discipline, your confidence. Because the worst part about addiction isn't the habit itself. It's the feeling that you're losing control over your own mind. You wake up motivated. You promise yourself you'll change. But when the urge comes, it feels stronger than logic, stronger than goals, stronger than you. And after every relapse, you sit there thinking, what's wrong with me? But listen carefully. You are not weak. Your brain has simply been trained to repeat the same escape over and over again. Because addiction is not just pleasure. It's conditioning. A loop, trigger, action, reward, repeat. And if you want to quit any addiction, you cannot rely on motivation. Motivation disappears when emotions change. You need systems. Real systems that rewire your brain and slowly take your control back. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 powerful systems that can help you quit almost any addiction. Whether it's porn, social media, gaming, nicotine, junk food, or anything else controlling your life. Let's begin. System 1. The pause system. Most people think addiction happens because they choose the habit. No. Addiction happens because they react too fast. The urge appears and within seconds they act automatically. That's why your first goal is not to quit forever. Your first goal is to pause. When the urge hits, do not say, I'll never do this again. That scares your brain. Instead say, not now, give me 10 minutes. That's it. Walk outside, drink water, wash your face, do push-ups, breathe deeply, because urges are like waves. If you don't feed them immediately, they weaken. A craving feels permanent, but biologically it peaks and fades. The moment you create delay, you create control. System 2. Destroy the trigger environment. You cannot heal in the same environment that keeps triggering you every day. Your room matters. Your phone matters. Your feed matters. The people around you matter. If temptation is always one click away, eventually your brain gives in. So stop depending on willpower. Remove the triggers instead. Delete the apps. Block the websites. Keep your phone away from your bed. Unfollow the accounts poisoning your mind, because every addiction has a doorway. And your job is to close the door before the urge enters. Weak environments create weak habits. Strong environments create strong minds. System 3. Change your identity. This is where real transformation begins. Most people say, I'm trying to quit. But that sentence keeps the addiction alive because your brain still sees you as that person. Instead say this, I don't do this anymore. Small difference, massive shift. Identity controls behavior. If you believe you are weak, you will act weak. If you believe you are disciplined, your actions slowly align with that identity. The goal is not to fight your old self forever. The goal is to become someone your old habits no longer match. System 4. Replace the escape. This is important. Addiction is rarely about pleasure alone. Most addictions are emotional escapes. Escape from stress, loneliness, boredom, pain, pressure. That's why removing the addiction without replacing it almost never works. Your brain still wants relief, so give it a healthier outlet. Go to the gym, run, journal, learn a skill, talk to someone, build something. Channel your energy somewhere meaningful. Because energy cannot be destroyed, only redirected. And the same mind that destroys itself through addiction can also build an incredible life through discipline. System 5. Win one day at a time. This is where most people fail. They think too far ahead. Can I really quit forever? What if I relapse next month? Stop. Your only mission is today. Not forever. Not 1 year. Just today. Wake up and say, today I stay in control. That's it. Because addiction survives when you feel hopeless. But momentum destroys hopelessness. 1 clean day becomes 2, 2 becomes 7, 7 becomes a new identity. And eventually the thing that once controlled your life starts losing power over you. Listen. You are stronger than your urges. An urge is temporary. But the person you become by overcoming it lasts forever. Every time you resist, you rebuild trust with yourself. Every small victory rewires your brain. And one day, You'll look back at the version of yourself who felt trapped and realize that was the moment your transformation started. So don't wait for motivation. Build systems, build control, build a new identity. Because quitting addiction is not about becoming perfect, it's about becoming free.